Well, I don't have the total cable numbers right in front of me, but I think what's important to point out about this trend is that it's happening at a faster rate than we anticipated for some key reasons. The first one is cost. People basically feel that the roughly $100 average that they pay for their cable or satellite bills is too much, and that probably doesn't come as a surprise to anyone. And there are alternatives that cost a lot less. We've already seen people go to on-demand platforms like Netflix and Amazon and Hulu, but now people have access to these great packages that are delivered digitally, like Sling TV and YouTube TV and others, that cost roughly half or maybe even less than half of the average cable bill, but they give you a lot of the same features in terms of live channels and basically a TV-like experience. It just happens to be delivered differently.
So if I'm understanding you correctly here, and I think you got it nailed, new entrants like Sling, DirecTV Now, YouTube, Netflix are taking some of the money away from the traditional multi-system operators like our parent Comcast, like AT&T and the rest, Cablevision and so forth. But let me ask you this. Cutting the cord means, doesn't it, cutting one kind of cord, but you still have to have some way to get the broadband signal into your dwelling. Won't those providers simply raise the price for broadband?
Well, they may raise the price for broadband. The services I just mentioned have actually raised their prices, even though they're new, up-and-coming services. They've actually raised prices over the past year for about $5 on average. So yeah, I think you're right. The possibility does exist that these companies will charge more for broadband service. That is actually where they're making most of their money, as companies like Comcast and Charter and others are seeing their traditional paid TV subscribers leave. They're still servicing them with broadband.
Yes.
In many cases, people need to upgrade their broadband to have a good experience with these high bandwidth digital video services like Netflix and others.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.